Welcome to Beautyistic, where we bring you the honest, in-depth beauty reviews you deserve. Today, we're looking at a product that promises to be a game changer for sensitive skin around the eyes. La Roche-Posay Toleriane Dermallergo Eye Cream. If you're dealing with dry, irritated skin around your eyes and need something soothing, this one might catch your attention. And before we jump into it, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated with more skincare tips and honest reviews. Now let's talk about this eye cream. The La Roche-Posay Toleriane Dermallergo Eye Cream, previously known as Toleriane Ultra Eyes, is designed specifically for sensitive skin around the eyes. This 20mm tube is packed with a soothing complex of ingredients aimed at hydrating and comforting dry skin. The best part? It's allergy-tested, fragrance-free, and alcohol-free, perfect for those with heightened sensitivities or conditions like eczema or rosacea. What's really special about this product is the soothing complex that helps repair and calm the skin. It features La Roche-Posay's signature thermal spring water, which is known for its anti-inflammatory properties. You also get glycerin, which helps attract moisture, and neurosensine, a soothing peptide designed to reduce irritation. This combination promises to help reduce puffiness, smooth fine lines, and deliver a deep level of hydration. When it comes to incorporating this eye cream into your daily routine, it's pretty straightforward. The cream itself has a lightweight texture. It's not too thick or greasy, so it absorbs quickly without leaving a heavy residue. Whether you use it in the morning under makeup or as part of your evening skincare ritual, it sits comfortably on the skin. I've used it for a few weeks now, and I can definitely notice a difference in the overall hydration level around my eyes. I've had no irritation, and my under eye area feels soothed, which is a big win for anyone with sensitive skin. In terms of pros, this product's ability to hydrate and soothe is top-notch. It's incredibly gentle yet effective, making it a great option for those who suffer from sensitive or dry skin. I also love that it's fragrance-free, as many eye creams can have scents that irritate delicate skin. The texture is just right, light enough to absorb quickly, but still rich enough to offer lasting hydration. On the flip side, the size of the product may be a concern for some. With only 20 milliliters of product, it's on the smaller side, especially if you're using it daily. And while the price reflects the quality, it might be a bit high if you're on a tight budget. Is it worth the price? I'd say yes, especially if you're looking for a gentle, soothing option for sensitive skin. It's not the cheapest, but when you factor in the quality of the ingredients and the brand reputation, it's reasonable. You're paying for effective skincare that's tailored to sensitive areas, and La Roche-Posay consistently delivers. Comparing this to other eye creams, the La Roche-Posay Toleriane Dermallergo stands out due to its allergy-tested formula and the inclusion of neurosensine, a soothing peptide you won't find in many other similar products. If you've tried other eye creams but haven't found something gentle enough for your skin, this could be a great option. When it comes to build quality, the packaging is sleek and sturdy, with a simple nozzle that dispenses the right amount of product. I like that the tube is small enough to travel with, so it's a great option for people who need something that works while on the go. Is this eye cream a long-term solution? It's definitely a product you can incorporate into your routine for long-lasting hydration. It's gentle enough to use every day, and over time, you should notice smoother, less irritated skin around the eyes. Mid-review time. If you're finding this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can discover honest reviews like this one. Plus, if you're ready to grab this eye cream for yourself, I've got the link in the comments. As for customer service, La Roche-Posay is known for being responsive and helpful. While I didn't have to interact with them directly, I've seen great reviews when it comes to customer care. So if you ever have an issue with your purchase, you can count on them to make it right. This product hasn't had any significant updates recently, so you're getting the same tried and true formula. If you've been using the Toleriane Ultra Eyes, this is just the updated version with a new name, but the same fantastic ingredients. Now, if you're on a budget and need something similar, there are other options like the CeraVe Eye Repair Cream or the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Eye Gel Cream, which offers similar hydrating benefits at a more affordable price. However, these may not have the same specialized ingredients like neurosensine, so you'll need to decide which works best for your skin needs. To wrap things up, the La Roche-Posay Toleriane Dermallergo Eye Cream is an excellent option for anyone with sensitive skin looking for an effective, soothing eye treatment. It's gentle, hydrating, and free from unnecessary irritants, making it ideal for dry or delicate skin around the eyes. The size and price point might not make it for everyone, but if you can invest, it's definitely worth it for the results. Thank you so much for tuning in today. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. I'd love to hear from you. As always, the link to purchase the eye cream is in the description box. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.